So me and Hobbs are going to talk about this learning assessment. The first error that we can find here is uh, that the main method of a Java program needs to be public static void main open parentheses string open bracket close bracket args close parentheses open brace. And we are missing both the brackets and we are missing void. So that would be the first two errors in both those in, well, that's in line 2. We're missing that open, we need an open brace after tricky too, which is for the class. So that'd be the first error is line 1 open brace, second line missing the keyword void, and we're missing the open bracket, close bracket, and string args. Third line, we are missing the close quotes for hello world, but we're missing both the open and the close quotes for hello world. Strings are noted by quotation marks. 4 is all jacked up. For println or whatever, it is capitalized and it's not supposed to be. It is misspelled. It's supposed to be PRINTLN, not TN. System is supposed to be capitalized, at least the first letter. And the question mark within the parentheses is supposed to be that's part of the string. So that's not a special character. That's part of the string. So that needs to be inside the quotes. So yeah, there were 4 errors on line 4. And then on line 5, it's pretty good. It just needs a semicolon at the end. And line 7, we're missing the close parentheses, and we're missing out dot actually. So it's supposed to be system.out.println, not system.println. Okay, and then which output is produced by the following code. Yeah, so this is the first line, there's not really any special characters in there. It just says step is 7'1". The second, and then because that's println, it goes to the next line, the output goes to the next line, and it's that what it says within the quotes on the input is the string \quote \quote is an empty message, period, end quote, close paren, semicolon. Basically it says the string is empty message, period. That's not an issue. But it uses the \, which is the escape character, to where the quotation marks within the quotation marks are actually treated as part of the string and not treated as closing the string. What do you think, Hobbs? Hobbs agrees. Okay, and it's the same concept. It's just a little bit tricky. It's trickier here. I did it right, but I checked my work on a shell to make sure. So the \, so you've got system out println, and it's a whole slew of characters that are special and need to be escaped if they're going to be part of a string. So you've got open quote, which is what starts the string, and then you've got \\. So that actually puts the backsplash in the string, and then you've got an apostrophe or one digit that doesn't need to be escaped because that isn't the notation for a string. Oh, he's left. He's bored. Okay, so the next one you've got /quote, \quote. So \quote means that you're so if you didn't have the \, that quote would end the string, and then you'd end up having a compiling error because the rest of it would the rest of it would not be part of the string. But because you got the backslash, it makes the quotes part of the string. So you're actually using the character quotation marks as like part of a phrase of like output words rather than like as something to mean something in the program. And then after that, you got backslash, 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 which from the logic before, backslash, backslash just means backslash. I said backsplash in the for the out string which is output. And then you've got backslash quote quote. So like backslash quote, like the previous backslash quote just means quote within the string, and then the last quote actually closes the string. And so what you end up getting is backslash, single quote, double quote, backslash, backslash, double quote is the output. Thank you for your time. It's been a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.